Are you looking for a comprehensive approach to cleansing your mind, body, and home for a healthier lifestyle? In this fast-paced and toxin-filled world, taking the time to detoxify holistically is essential. From regular exercise and quality sleep to minimizing toxic exposure and practicing digital detox, there are various steps you can take to enhance your well-being. Additionally, incorporating practices like tongue scraping, dry brushing, contrast showers, and writing to release emotions can further contribute to your overall cleanse. So, are you ready to embark on a journey of holistic detoxification? Let's explore the different aspects of mind, body, and home cleansing and discover how they can transform your life. Ensure that the air surrounding you is of good quality. Were you aware that the air inside your home might be 2 to 5 times more polluted than the air outside? Surprisingly, even walking through Hong Kong's dirty streets may be healthier than sitting indoors and watching TV. Carpeting is a major source of indoor air pollution because it collects filth, fleas, dust mites, and even lead. To remedy this issue, we strongly advise purchasing an air filter vacuum, which captures a wide spectrum of particles and eliminates allergens. Another tip is to include air-purifying plants in each room of your house. These plants, in conjunction with beneficial bacteria in the soil, contribute to the reduction of volatile organic compounds in the air. By incorporating these plants into your home, you may enhance the air quality and create a cleaner, healthier environment. Now that your air is clean, our next stop is your water source. In order to effectively detoxify your home, it is important to pay attention to the quality of your water source. Tap water often contains a concerning array of chemicals and pollutants, as highlighted by the Environmental Working Group. These substances can include chlorine, pesticides, herbicides, lead, mercury, endocrine-disrupting chemicals, fluoride, and various others. Given the potential risks associated with these contaminants, it becomes crucial to take measures to ensure the availability of clean water in your household. Dry brush your body. Dry brushing, also known as Garshana in Ayurvedic medicine, is a cleansing procedure that helps activate the lymphatic system, which plays an important function in our immune system by protecting us from infections and diseases. All you need is a body brush to massage your skin softly. It's better to apply it on dry skin, so don't bathe or shower beforehand. Begin with your upper body and work your way down, taking care not to scrape too vigorously to avoid irritating your skin. You can wash or bathe normally after dry brushing and then moisturize your skin with lotion or body oil. Dry brushing is a simple and low-cost way to feel refreshed and revitalized. Are your kitchenware items potentially toxic? To ensure your safety while preparing and storing food, it is vital to be mindful of potential hazards in your kitchen. Plastic containers are a particular concern due to the presence of bisphenol A, a recognized toxin. To minimize your exposure to this harmful substance, it is strongly recommended that you refrain from using plastic containers altogether. Instead, choose safer alternatives such as glass lock containers, mason jars, and other glass containers for storing your food securely. By opting for these options, you can reduce the risk of exposure to BPA and maintain a safer kitchen environment. In addition to plastic containers, non-stick pans are another potential source of toxins in the kitchen. The popular non-stick coating, Teflon, contains perfluorinated compounds that have been linked to cancer and developmental issues. To prioritize your safety, it is advisable to consider alternatives to traditional non-stick pans. Look for non-toxic non-stick coatings or opt for cookware options like cast iron, stainless steel, glass, or 100% ceramic, which are known to be safer choices. By consciously selecting materials for food storage and cooking, such as glass containers and safe cookware alternatives, you can effectively minimize your exposure to potentially harmful compounds. These choices contribute to establishing a healthier kitchen for you and your family. Give those screens a rest. Hey, it's important to take a break from technology every now and then for your own well-being. It's called a digital detox, and it can do wonders for your mental and physical health. You know how too much smartphone use can mess with your head? Well, distancing yourself from all those electronic devices can actually make you feel a lot better overall. So how do you get started with this digital detox thing? Well, you can start small by leaving your gadgets at home when you go outside to enjoy nature. And as you go along, challenge yourself to turn off the TV, computer, cell phone, and anything else with a screen for a whole day. The goal is to break the habit of constantly checking your devices and give yourself a fresh and rejuvenating experience. To really boost the benefits, try getting into activities that don't involve technology. Maybe try out a yoga class, Do some stretching at home. Give mindfulness meditation a shot in a calm and peaceful spot. Take a leisurely walk in the park. Do some deep breathing exercises. Or pamper yourself with a relaxing bath accompanied by some soothing music. Feel free to take showers. An alternative method to revitalize your body and mind involves engaging in a contrast shower. Contrast therapy is a technique that involves alternating between hot and cold water. Some practitioners of alternative medicine suggest this practice as a means to enhance circulation and boost energy levels. To perform this technique in the comfort of your home, begin by turning on your shower and adjusting the water temperature to the highest level you can tolerate. It is important to ensure that the water is hot but not excessively scalding or unbearable. Exercise caution and use common sense to prevent burns or harm to your skin. After remaining under the warm hot water for a duration of 2 to 3 minutes, switch the temperature to the coldest setting you can endure. Although the cold water may be uncomfortable, you might also find it invigorating. Stay under the cold water for approximately 1 minute before transitioning back to hot water. Repeat this cycle 2 to 3 times. Put your thoughts on paper. As part of the process of cleansing your body and mind, it's beneficial to address and release the thoughts and emotions that have been unconsciously suppressed. Repressed emotions can have negative impacts on both your mental and physical well-being, increasing the risk of depression and potentially leading to cardiac issues. To initiate a personal ritual that enables you to acknowledge and release these emotions, there are several approaches you can consider. One option is to write a letter to someone who has caused you pain or disappointment, expressing how their actions have affected you. It's important to note that you don't necessarily need to send the letter. The main objective is to gain a deeper understanding of the emotions that may have been suppressed and allow them to be released from your system, preventing further harm. Another approach is to maintain a journal where you can regularly express and explore your emotions, regrets, and worries by seeking to understand your feelings and avoiding the urge to push them away. You can harness these emotions and use them as catalysts for personal growth and increased emotional intelligence as you navigate the world. By embracing a holistic detox approach that encompasses your mind, body, and home, you can create a foundation for a healthier and more balanced lifestyle. From reducing inflammation and supporting your body's natural detoxification processes through exercise and quality sleep, to minimizing toxic exposure and taking breaks from technology, each step plays a crucial role in optimizing your well-being. Incorporating practices like tongue scraping, dry brushing, contrast showers, and writing can further enhance your detoxification journey. So, why wait? Start implementing these strategies today and experience the transformative power of holistic detox for yourself. Live a little and prioritize your health. This marks the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure that you like and share it. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video. We'll see you at the next one. Keep yourself healthy.